Hey, this is Steve from B&M. Today I'm happy to introduce our new B&M Magnum Grip Short Throw shifter for the 2016 to 2017 Yamaha YXZ1000 side-by-sides. The handle is patented off the Magnum Grip race design for ergonomic, modern, and an aggressive look. Features include a CNC machine billet aluminum construction and replaceable black side grip plates that incorporate a diamond design pattern for a sure grip when shifting, and a tough MIL-Spec anodized finish. The shifter reduces the throw over the stock shifter and gives you a positive, quick shift. There are 2 pivot locations to choose from. The maximum throw reduction is 47.5%. The polycarbonate side grip plates are customizable with numerous colors and also optional finishes such as the rosewood to personalize the look of your ride. The kit includes all necessary hardware and complete instructions for an easy installation, and it is backed up by a B&M lifetime limited warranty protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Now, if you're looking for improved shifting performance and a great new style for your Yamaha YXZ1000, then this shifter's for you. And be sure to check out all the optional colors and different finishes available for your side plates to custom tailor your interior. And thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our B&M YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.